Welcome to the Chutney Life kitchen, you guys. My name is Palak, and today I'm going to be showing you a recipe using bowl and basket frozen shrimp from ShopRite stores. So bowl and basket frozen shrimp from ShopRite stores is sustainably sourced, it's farm raised, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious Masala Shrimp Scampi. All right, you guys, so I have a pound of frozen shrimp that I simply defrosted, and I just took the tails off because that's what I prefer. And again, this is the bowl and basket frozen shrimp. I feel like it's super convenient to just kind of have in your freezer and you can make a quick meal. So to this, I'm going to add just two seasonings, some cumin powder and chili powder. And then while I prep the rest of the ingredients, I'm just gonna let that shrimp sit in the delicious flavors. All right, so the shrimp has been set aside. I've chopped up the bell peppers. I love this recipe because it doesn't involve too much chopping and too much work, so it's super quick to kind of whip up on a weeknight or weekday. So I've got a pot going here, and to that I'm gonna add a few tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is hot, we're gonna add in sliced bell peppers. I'm using red and green here, and then just saute these for about 2 to 3 minutes until the peppers are really nice and soft. All right, so our peppers have cooked down really well. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add in some fresh garlic, about 6 cloves here, and some tomato paste. Stir this until the garlic is really nice and fragrant. And now for the spices, I'm going in with a little bit of coriander powder, Garam Masala, Tandoori Masala, Old Bay seasoning, turmeric powder, chili powder, and cumin powder. You also want to add some salt to taste. All right, so now that we have all of our spices in here, I'm gonna go ahead and toss in the shrimp. And shrimp cooks really quickly, you guys, so we're just gonna give this kind of a few minutes, and adding those spices onto the shrimp before we actually added it into the pot is really gonna flavor it well. Right on top of that, I'm gonna add in a few tablespoons of butter. Shrimp scampi is supposed to be buttery, brothy, and delicious, so don't skimp on this part. I've got just about a few tablespoons of butter here, and I have my heat set to low. I just wanna kind of stir this until everything is well combined. And then we're gonna add in the water, and that's what's gonna really help us get that delicious sauciness. And if you wanna make this, not as saucy, if you want this as a shrimp that you might kind of top off onto a salad or put inside of tacos or a wrap, you can just leave out the water, and that way you'll have more of like a dry, sauteed shrimp. All right, so now that the shrimp has cooked down, the last 2 steps are adding in some freshly chopped cilantro. You could also use parsley here, and then a really good squeeze of lemon. You definitely wanna get a good amount of acidity in this dish. All right, you guys, now for the best part, plating it and eating it, of course. Oh my goodness, guys, time to dig in. You guys, this is like so juicy, bursting with flavor. Those spices with the butter and the lemon and the shrimp, everything blends together so well. As a kid, I used to go to ShopRite with my mom all the times. Now, as an adult, going there and just seeing their commitment to excellent products and ingredients has been so full circle. I hope you guys love this recipe. I hope you guys have a chance to try some of my favorite bowl and basket products.